Design is not just about form, it's the tangible quality of every line, the precision of every stitch, and comfort. Global brands have spent decades creating their iconic models: Polyform, Minotti, and Flexform. But what if we told you that this level of aesthetics and comfort could be more affordable without compromising on quality? My name is Matvey, and I am the founder of the Globus company. Over years in the furniture business in China, I've seen thousands of replicas, from the clearly poor to those that stun even seasoned designers. Today we've selected 10 legendary models that have become global bestsellers. We'll discuss material quality, comfort, and aesthetics, and of course, compare our factory's prices with the originals. If you appreciate high style but are used to making rational decisions, this video is for you. Let's start with the fundamental Westside model from Polyform, created by Jean-Marie Massaud. It's not just a sofa, it's an entire system. The main feature here is its multifunctionality. Westside is a collection of various modules from which you can build absolutely any composition. The massive seats are set upon a slender base. Our factory provides the same set of modules as the original, including cushions and side tables. Take a look at the stitching. On the Westside, it must be perfectly straight as it highlights the geometry of the modules. This sofa is perfect for large living rooms, where it becomes the center of attraction. And now, let's turn to a true classic of furniture design, the most purchased sofa model. Without a doubt, it's the Horizonte from Minotti. In Europe, prices for this model start at $40,000. Let's take a look at the offer from the Chinese factory. The name itself speaks for itself. It's a horizontal line that seems to float above the floor. Achieving this effect in a replica is a very complex engineering task. A metal base supports the sofa's structure. For the upholstery, you can choose leather or boucle, and you can expand the sofa's functionality by adding a module with a built-in table in veneer or marble. The Horizonte sofa is a win-win choice for both compact and spacious living rooms. If Horizonte is architecture, then SoftDream from Flexform is pure comfort. Designer Antonio Citterio created it for those who want to sink into a cloud after a workday. The main secret of the original, which the factory fully replicates, is the filling. It features not only multi-layered polyurethane foam, but also a huge volume of sterilized goose down. Everything is in the same proportions as with Flexform. The factory buys original modules to study the technology and materials to recreate a one-to-one replica. And take a look at the legs. It's a cast base that gives the sofa that very recognizable Flexform lightness. It is the benchmark of Italian coziness. And now, a model that once literally blew up the interior design market. This is Pixel from the Saba brand. The sofa's backrests aren't fixed in place. Thanks to a unique slot system, you can change the sofa's layout every single day. Today it's a spot for family movie night, and tomorrow a full-on island for a big party. It's the perfect choice for young, dynamic families who don't like static interiors. A well-equipped original will cost you $15,000 to $20,000. Our factory offers that same level of comfort and aesthetics with more customization options, but within a much more reasonable budget. In premium design, there are models that simply do not forgive mistakes. Before you is the Minotti Blazer. It's often called the suit sofa, and that's the main trap for an amateur manufacturer. There are no plush shapes here to hide sewing flaws, only sharp lines and perfect angles. Look at how the fabric is fitted at the joints, stripe to stripe, seam to seam. It highlights the owner's status with its impeccable discipline in design. In Europe, the price for a 4-seater sofa is around $30,000. After these 5 points, your head might spin. How to combine it all and where to find it. So you don't spend weeks searching for that perfect sofa or table. We've put it all in one place. Our website has a full catalog of furniture, lighting, plumbing, and decor, with items pre-selected for quality and style. You can just click the link in the description, check prices, and try these solutions for your project. This will save you dozens of hours of searching. The link is under the video in the description. And we're moving on. The sofa is the foundation of a living room interior, but the puzzle isn't complete without decor and extra elements, like armchairs. Interior design in 2026 is finally moving away from cold minimalism toward organic modernism, and the Brasilia chair is the perfect embodiment of this trend. It has a rare quality, compactness combined with incredible visual weight. It perfectly complements the seating group in the living room without crowding the space, yet it pulls the interior together. A hybrid of Scandinavian minimalism and modernism. Monumental legs made of solid walnut or oak create a sense of reliability and a connection to nature, while the plush, enveloping seat softens the interior's sharp lines. This is the choice for those creating a timeless interior. Brasilia won't go out of style because natural materials and perfect proportions are always relevant. Another armchair, another masterpiece from Flexform, the Alison armchair. It has a rare quality, compactness combined with incredible visual weight. It perfectly complements the seating group in the living room without crowding the space, yet it pulls the interior together. It's a stunning combination of a sculpted wooden frame and soft textiles. It's an investment in a style that will never go out of fashion. If your project is about sophistication and comfort, the choice is clear. There are dining tables, and then there's the Patchwork by Roche-Beaubois. In a world where everyone strives for minimalism, this table stands out as a work of art. In 2026, the dining area is no longer just functional, it's the heart of the home, and Patchwork fills that role perfectly. The main idea behind this table is a modern take on the ancient technique of marquetry. Just look at this tabletop. Dozens of natural wood veneer pieces are hand-assembled into a complex geometric puzzle. If you want your dining area to inspire awe before you even set the table, this is the model for you. And this next model is an absolute must-have for your home office. The Ventaglio desk by Cassina was originally designed back in the 70s. Today, it looks more futuristic than most brand new designs. This solid wood desk is fan-shaped, revealing a different look from every angle. See how 14 natural wood slats come together in a perfect rhythm. There isn't a single accidental line here. The Ventaglio is another favorite among our clients, and for good reason. Compact and sleek, this desk will complement a wide variety of interior designs. More and more, our clients are asking us to create a bedroom with that hotel chic vibe. The Shadowmoon bed provides that exact sense of privacy and status you find in the world's best 5-star hotels. It's a blend of soft textiles and clean lines that makes a bedroom feel complete and luxurious. Our factory in China offers a wide range of colors and upholstery materials so you can fully personalize the look of your bed. We've looked at 10 models, each one a legend in the world of furniture design. If you liked any of the models in today's review, please contact our managers. We'll send detailed photos, fabric samples, and provide a quote for your project. Subscribe! There's much more to come from the world of premium furniture.